Renewal weekend, and how was the Yoni renewal for you, Nicole?
Like I said before, I feel informed, rejuvenated from the inside out. I feel like my soul has been lightened, and I just enjoyed the people, the food, and the fun. And I look forward to doing this event again, wherever it is.
So, what was your favorite part?
Favorite parts? I love the meditation. I love the Yoni streaming. I don't know, it's so much I loved. And the people and the food. Because it was a good vegan meal when you learn how to do an alternative, healthy eating lifestyle. Perfect. And I was full and I was happy, and I kind of wish I could learn more on leaving that's part of my life, because I think I could do that with meals like that.
Awesome. And now we have Jacqueline over here, who is also at the Yoni Renewal weekend. Are you feeling renewed?
I am feeling renewed.
All right.
I enjoyed the release, the burning. I enjoyed the meditation and the steaming and the information that I received from both of you ladies. Everything was great. I enjoyed myself.
And what was your favorite part?
The burning and the meditation.
Yes,
yeah,
awesome.
Those are my favorites. Yeah.
All right, so there you have it. The Yoni Renewal weekend was a success, and thank you guys for tuning in.